Howdy! In this video, I will show you how to create your keys for logging in to the FASTR cluster at Texas A&M University. This tutorial is for ACES users who will be using the jump host method and are working in Windows PowerShell. Here is my Windows PowerShell. In order to create keys, you need to have the SSH application installed. You can see that I have OpenSSH for Windows version 8.1 installed. The SSH application comes with an additional tool named SSH KeyGen, which can help to generate keys. We need keys in a specific format. Use the -t flag to specify a key format, and the key format that we will use is the ED25519 key format. This specifies the amount of security that the key will have. Once you execute this program, it will ask you some questions. You need to know where to save the key. The key should be saving in a directory named .ssh that's directly underneath your user directory. Since my Windows username is raren, then the directory after it will be .ssh. We will not change the location of the key because the jump host procedure expects the key to be in its default location. We hit enter to proceed. You can choose a passphrase for your key. In this example, I will choose a passphrase. This means every time you log in, you'll be required to provide the passphrase for your key. But since the key lives on your local machine, the password will never go beyond your local machine. A key has now been saved. Let's verify that the key is in its correct location. If we use the dir command with the .ssh directory, we can see that two files have been created. One that has no file extension and one that has the file extension .pub. The .pub file extension is your public key. This is the one that you need to share with us. Do not send us the one that does not have the .pub file extension. The one that has no file extension is your private key. It must remain secret. It is similar to your password. If we investigate the public key, we can see that it contains information about your username. However, this is the username that is local to your machine. It is not the same as the username that you will use to log into FASTR, which means that each time you log into FASTR, you will need to provide that username. We cannot rely on the key to provide the username. The output of this command, the cat command, where we investigate the public key file, is what is needed in order to install your public key in the jump host so that you can proceed logging in with the jump host method. You should have received an email inviting you to send this public key back to the person who sent you the email.